Looking to extend your wired internet without running new cables? The TLPA 7017 kit offers high-speed data transfer rates up to 1000 megabits per second, delivering reliable connections for all your online needs. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or working from home, this Powerline adapter ensures your devices stay connected with fast, stable internet through your existing electrical wiring. Setting up your network couldn't be easier. With plug-and-play functionality, you can have your Powerline network ready in minutes, no complicated configuration needed. Just plug the adapters into your outlets and enjoy secure wired connections for desktops, smart TVs, or game consoles. The built-in gigabit port guarantees a smooth, lag-free experience wherever you need it most. What sets the TLPA 7017 apart is its patented power-saving mode, which cuts power consumption by up to 85% without compromising performance. This means you get a greener, more energy-efficient solution that's friendly to your electric bill and the environment. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of TP-Link adapters, making it easy to expand your network as your needs grow. One user shared their experience, saying, "I bought this product to get internet in my garage and improve connectivity for my home security cameras. The instructions were clear, and I was amazed at the speed, 866 megabits per second in my garage. It worked perfectly, even over a long distance. I highly recommend it for anyone needing a reliable wired connection." That's the kind of real-world performance you can count on. Keep in mind, the TLPA 7017 kit provides wired connections only, no Wi-Fi included. For best results, the adapters must be on the same electrical circuit and plugged directly into wall outlets, not surge protectors. Also, appliances sharing the circuit might affect performance, so placement matters. Deploy these adapters in pairs or more to build your ideal network setup. If you're ready to upgrade your home network without the hassle of new wiring, the TLPA 7017 kit is worth a look. It's a simple, efficient way to boost your internet speed where you need it most. Try it when you're ready and enjoy fast, stable wired connections that keep up with your digital life.